Hey everybody, Shane on the road with Damascus Road, and today's RV journey, guess what? We are selling our fifth wheel. So we're gonna do a quick review on it. Stand by. So it's a KZ Durango 286 BHD, and it is 33 feet 11 inches 9 inches. I gotta look that up, don't I? Anyway, this thing's been a great unit for our family, and we have traveled pretty extensively in it. And a lot of things in life, you get exactly what you pay for, but every once in a while you come across something like this and you get more than you paid for. This has been a great unit, y'all. I mean, really recommend the quality of this build in 2017. So she's been stored inside. A lot of little things that we've done to it over the years. I did a rock chip guard on the front, just a slight texture. It does have a Progressive Industries hardwired EMS in it. As you can see, all the windows in the living room and the master bedroom have the foil on them. Anode rod this year, put that on, so that's good for another year or two. It's going around again, KZ Durango 286 BHD. I have went around and I have sealed what needs to be sealing. I have went on the roof and resealed that. I've done a Turnabond all the way around the perimeter of it, and then penetrations were also sealed with Crazy Seal. The tires are 2021 date codes. They are the Goodyear Endurance, and we've got our refrigerator here, outside kitchen there. I was going to set all this up really nice, but it is raining. Just started to rain on me, so I got to get this thing in before I get set. All right, we're back in the barn in the dry. Man, it started pouring down rain, and here we are in our 286 BHD. So yeah, that's a little outlet extender that I added. We plug in fan, chargers, whatnot to it. So the TV is on a swivel bracket, so it comes out, angles every which way direction. Pull out couch, and this, I've done a few custom things here that suits us, and if it suits you, that's great. If not, I can change it back to factory in a matter of about 10 or 15 minutes, okay? So we made a lounging couch area is what we call it, with a dog cage, okay? So with that, you get additional storage boxes on each end, accessible from under the cushions. It's the factory cushions, okay? And we have Dalmatians, and they like to go in there just to hang out and get away from stuff. Oh yeah, we got kids, but they'll go in there, chill out, hang out. Then at night we'll put them in there. Now my buddy that was helping me build this got one of those big machines that does all the engraving and stuff, and he said, so what do you want for the front? I'm like, I don't know, dude, just like some bars or whatever, make it vent. Look what he showed up with. That is my old unit crest from when I was in the Army. That's awesome. Anyway, so there's that light switch there. So the storage in this thing is amazing. So I added more storage with those boxes. There's under couch storage, there's in the slide out storage, okay? So that storage is amazing. Now we come through here to the bedroom area. This model is a queen size bunk bed model. Hold on, wait, that's not a queen size bed. You are absolutely right. That's another thing that I did, okay? So I made this for our daughter. She's 4'11" or so, and she likes floor space. So we created her some floor space. She still has plenty enough bed space for her. And again, I can change all this back to factory in about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, I didn't cut anything. I unscrewed and rearranged, all right? Now, if you like it, it can stay. You could also take out the bed, and it would make a great office space with storage up top. Whatever suits you, we can do. Storage, great closet for the kiddos here. And then also under the step, huge storage area. Toys, shoes, whatever, okay? So there's that. Now check this out. You do have the curtain for a little privacy. Kitchen storage, countertop area. I added this counter extension, okay? Just to give you a little bit more space. So you got a double bowl sink there, okay? Now we got our fruit basket holder, all this cabinet storage. Look how deep this one is, okay? And this one, hey, there's all our brochures and everything that comes with it. Everything from the factory paperwork we still have, okay? Microwave, built a stove cover cutting board. Look in there. We do most of our cooking outside, so the stove and oven haven't really been used that much. Just more storage. And even this one, okay, so I'm 6 foot tall. And this thing, you know, it's huge. Great storage. We keep like all our paper goods up there, something you're not grabbing all the time that's easy to grab. Now, refrigerator, you see it, just your standard RV fridge, yada da da da. A slide out pantry, little key lock up there, keep it from sliding while you're driving around. Slide out pantry, that's pretty cool. A lot of good storage there. Now, storage here in the entertainment center, perfect size for DVDs, books, board games, you know, whatever your heart desires to put in here. Sometimes we put canned goods and stuff in there also. Another thing, more canned goods, we put shoes down at the bottom. My daughter's shoes are a lot smaller than mine. Cubby hole for all remotes in there. TV, DVD player combo. Now for storage, coffee table is not included, okay? That's a custom coffee table my buddy's made for me. And yeah, it's, if you want it, hey, heck, that's another 500 bucks. But it's awesome because, all right, as I was saying, it's awesome because of this. We did away with our dinette. We do most of our eating outside, cooking, spend much time outside, but sometimes we do have to eat inside. So there we have it. That's our little dining table for two. Hey, kids can get over it, right? And storage inside. How's that? Like I said, not included, but we can make a deal for it. So, and we'll carry on through here. All right, now, so that's all our storage here. We got our fantastic Max Air vent up there. 2 steps up to the master. Now, one thing I really like about this, when we bought it, full length wardrobe on each side, okay? So you got your full length wardrobe, you got your over the head storage, you got your headboard shelf over there. Each side does have an outlet. So they just really maximize the storage space in this unit. Over here, again, you've got a full-size wardrobe. Then you have this large wardrobe, okay? Big cabinet, 2 big drawers down there, and this leads into the bathroom. There's a pocket door, leads into the bathroom, so that was our linen closet. And of course, there's also the under bed storage. A lot of storage in this unit. Good shocks on that thing. Come into here, a lot of linen closet storage. Little hook to hang a hand towel on. More storage. Little shelf for towels. Standard toilet. And then here the shower. We did upgrade shower head. Wall hangers. I did add, hey, look at that good looking guy. I added a full length mirror because guess what? I got girls, right? I got 3 of them. And y'all see me, I'm always wearing hats. So there's hat hanger, belt hanger. They hang the hair dryer, curling iron type stuff off of that. Maybe a few coats. Then across through here, all the hat hangers whatnot there. And of course you see my hat hanging there too. So that is, oh, and here we need to see in this. This is the control center. Got all our control panels and everything in there, as well as more hooks. So our family had some great adventures in this thing. Really has been a quality build unit for us. Very minimal issues. It's been stored inside its entire life. When we're not using it, it's in the barn. I'm pretty meticulous on my maintenance. All my roof penetration seals have been sealed this summer. Sidewall seams, same thing. Sometimes dates get me. Years seem to merge together sometimes. I think it was last summer I did the RV airflow installation, and I cleaned the AC coils. Hardwire EMS. Trying to think if there's anything else that I need to talk about with it. I mean, it's been a great unit. We are selling because, one, all our camping money is going to UGA cheerleading. My daughter made the cheer squad for her second year, so hey, we're spending a lot of time and money with that. And then we are going to upgrade to a coach in a couple of years. So that's why we're getting rid of it. It's been a great unit. They say that it is a half-ton tow. I'll get all the technical information off of it and add in here. Send me a message, comments, questions, anything. Let me know. Y'all can have some great adventures in this. You know what to do? Give us a like, give us a share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave some comments. Y'all be blessed.